How to edit PDF file in laptop. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in this video I'll be showing you how you can easily edit your PDF file in laptop. So first thing, simply head over to your Word application and make sure you have successfully updated your Word application before using it. So once you're inside here, just click on this file button over here and just click on open from over here, and let me just select any of the random PDF file over, and it will give you a pop-up like this. So simply click on OK, which will convert your PDF file to a editable format document. So simply click on this enable so that you can actually edit your PDF file. So simply you just have to make your needed necessary changes from over here, and whether it's to add a number or anything like this, whatever you want, just do your editing over here. And once you do all of that, just click on this file button over here and just click on save as, and then from here just select your destination where you want to download. So since I want to download it on the desktop, I will just give it a name as sample, and instead of choosing the Word file, I can simply choose it as a PDF and just click on save. And as you can see, it has been successfully saved and opened as a PDF file as well. So that is exactly how you can easily edit a PDF file on your PC. So hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.